This year, the spring equinox falls on the 23rd of September. So on Friday, the day and night lengths will almost be exactly the same as the sun shines directly over the equator. And the good news is, as from this weekend, day lengths will gradually start to increase and night lengths decrease as we move closer to summer. But some might say spring already started on the 1st of September. So what's really the difference between meteorological and astronomical seasons? Let me explain. For most meteorologists, spring already started on the 1st of September. That's because meteorological seasons are based on the annual temperature cycle and it follows the calendar. So every third month is seen as a new season. But for astronomical seasons, it's based on the position of the Earth relative to the sun and usually falls on the equinoxes or solstice. But what's the weather looking like this Friday on the first day of astronomical spring? We actually do have a cold front brushing the coast with a ridging high behind it, pushing in more cloud and light rain for the coastal areas. That ridging high will bring in some light rain on Friday morning for the Peninsula, Cape Town, parts of the Winelands, only drizzle possible along the southern coastline with mainly cloudy and cooler conditions, and then into the evening, light rain reaching the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It's a mainly cloudy and a chilly Friday for the Western Cape, a cool onshore wind expected. Still a few more light showers possible on Friday morning over parts of the peninsula and Winelands, and then later clearing up from the west. Cloudy skies expected over the southern parts of South Africa, and onshore a southwesterly wind will push in cool conditions and drizzle for parts of the garden routes. Drizzle also possible over Nelson Mandela Bay with temperatures remaining below 20. A cooler day for the Eastern Cape, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. And onshore, a southwesterly wind will also bring in much cooler conditions and light rain between East London and Port St. John's. And then into the evening, that reaching high will also bring some light showers for the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. But before that, it's going to be a comfortable afternoon with temperatures in the mid-20s. It's a sunny and warm to very warm day for Mpumalanga, temperatures reaching 30 degrees in the Lowveld. Lots of sunshine expected in Limpopo, becoming warm to hot the afternoon. Temperatures also expected around 30 degrees and a high of 31 in Mokopane as well as Modimolle. It's a dry and sunny day for northwest, but a cool to cold morning, only 5 in Potchefstroom, but then heating up to a comfortable 29 degrees. In the Northern Cape, we're expecting windy conditions at times. It's also dry, therefore runaway fires at risk, but cooler over the southwest with an onshore southwesterly wind bringing in some cool weather for parts of the Karoo. It's a sunny and dry day for the Free State. The South African Weather Service has also issued a warning for the possibility of runaway fires on Friday over the interior of South Africa. A sunny and lovely Friday for Gauteng, 29 in Pretoria, 27 for Johannesburg. And then into the weekend, we're expecting a sunny and dry weather over most parts of the country, except for the coast where it will be mostly cloudy and still quite cool with light rain possible over the southern coastline. And then into Sunday, an upper level trough expected to bring down a few thunderstorms over parts of the Northern Cape, stretching into the Free State and Eastern Cape. And then ahead of another cold front becoming windy over the western parts of South Africa, and late on Sunday, a cold front reaching the Western Cape. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.